shoulder. It may be because of injuries, sport injuries, or the accidental cases, or the hypocalcemia, or overstress hormone, or more intake of the hormonal tablets or injectables, or the depression, anxiety, or the sleeping pills, or over intake of the alcohol. But in all such conditions, patient is suffering with the lower neck pain and chest pain with the swelling over the neck region. Also, there is low movement of the shoulders, and also patient gets suffer with the cervical pain and lumbar pain because of that. But Ayurveda provides this non-surgical treatment. It is the safest treatment, and we don't use any type of the vitamin D, calcium tablets, or the injectables. It may ruin your body if you use it for the long time. It is your body, and if you want to remain healthy, give some time to your body, because your body is always heal up with the natural medicines, and you have to give some time, be passionate for the medicines, and you may start your medicines. It is up to the one, twice, or thrice a day in earlier stages, and to get complete pain relief, Panchakarma treatment started as early as possible. Also, the Nasyam treatment given, Shirodhara treatment given to get the nervous system disorders here. And for the instant pain relief, Basti Vaman Virechan treatment is the fastest treatment. And also the Agni Karma and Rakta Mokshana treatment given within the 3, 5 or 7 or 11 days treatment. Patient get completely cure from the pains, and Panchakarma treatment may continue for the next 21 for